Okay, great. We've now got our deliverables back. The contours come in two different formats, shape files and AutoCAD DXF. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration now, opening the shape files in QGIS. So this is the QGIS software package. If you can see on the left here, I've already navigated to where the files are saved on my computer. We'll just drag one into the working area. And there we go. There are our contours. You can see here on the left that there are actually three different versions. There's balanced, roughest and smoothest. Smoothest the most similar to what a surveyor would get with a traditional cut line. Roughest the most accurate, and the balanced is a happy medium of the previous two. So that is the exported contours there. As previously mentioned, you can actually see the contours directly on the rock cloud as well. So let's have a look at that now. We just go over to the right here. There's a slider. We'll just slide that up and switching the contours on. You can also see the three different versions here: the smoothest, balanced, and the roughest. So that's our contours. Okay, this client also required the classifications. So let's take a look at those now. Let's switch the contours off, and we just go up here and go to classification. And there we go. There's not that much to classify on this one. Really, the trees around the perimeter and the power lines, but these can be toggled on the right here. There's the high vegetation and also the power lines. There we go, and that is it for the deliverables. We can also take a look at the accuracy report here. We've got the confirmation of the point density. It's 882 points per square metre were measured on this one. The coverage of 59 acres, and there are also three measurements of accuracy, and you can see we're coming in well under 3 centimetres there. So amazing stuff. Okay, we're coming to the end of the video now. If you have any questions about what you've seen or would like a quotation for your project, please do not hesitate to contact us on any of the contact details that are shown on screen now. You can also get a quotation directly from our website. There's a form on there, quite a fun one to fill in because you get to mark out your own survey area on Google Maps. So give that one a go. And that is about it from me today. I hope you found that interesting. Thank you very much for watching.